Fiedelbogen's Counter-Feminist Cyclopedia. Post-Argumentalism, an approach to the feminist problem which recognizes feminism as a moral juggernaut that will never yield to logical persuasion. Hence, post-argumentalism operates on the maxim that feminism is not owed the courtesy of a debate. Post-argumentalism does not exclude argument as a method, rather it opposes the naive and childish idea that political headway can only be made by talking feminists out of feminism. Hence, post-argumentalism excludes argument or debate not as a method, but as a principal or necessary method. It reduces argument or debate to a supplementary, secondary method. Predictivism, the practice of bespeaking in advance or predicting the arrival of certain outcomes under certain conditions. One says, if present conditions persist, certain things are likely to happen. Many feminists have a tendency to assign prescriptive value to predictive statements. A useful mnemonic phrase would be, prediction is not prescription. Prescriptivism, the practice of recommending or prescribing a certain course of action or a certain outcome. One says, we ought to do X, Y, or Z. Many feminists have a tendency to assign prescriptive value to statements that are merely predictive. A useful mnemonic phrase would be, prediction is not prescription. Primary aggressor status of feminism. Feminism as a movement and ideology is an upstart which has arrived in the world rather recently. The manner of feminism's advent has been one of aggressive imposition upon a prior situation. Hence, feminism is understood to be the first or primary aggressor in the present conflict.